Good afternoon. I'd like to welcome you to CNFT's afternoon wrap-up for July the 18th, 2014. Every day we wrap up our Emini and Treasury note calls that are given to you at 6:45 a.m., starting at 6:45 a.m. We came into the market today wanting to sell to see if we could bust the 50 to 53 area. And if we couldn't, we figured that end of the week short covering would take us higher. Now, we didn't envision a market as strong as it was today. I figured that 65, 68 would hold as resistance, but several factors were in play today. Number one, the situation between the Ukraine and Russia did not worsen. Barack Obama came out later in the day and said that the tensions between Russia and the United States would not escalate, which means that world trade and business would continue as usual. We're back to the situation where bad news rallies the market. So short covering, day trade longs, traders longs, etc. Took the market higher. We're still in a situation where we only get usually 1, maybe 2 days of selling. So we started off the morning right in this area. Our first sell was 60 plus or minus 1. Our second sell was 65 plus or minus 1. And our first buy was down here in this 50, 53 area. And you can go to our website and check these calls. So the first trade right off this bar right here, we got short at 59.5. The market did trade down to 57.25. Our normal target is 3. When you took out the 945 bars high, you covered that short at 59. We didn't make our 3 points, so we were up a half a point. Our next trade was short off of what we call our retest failure right here. This time we're short at 58.5, and 2 bars we stopped out for a loss of minus 2 points. When we're wrong 2 times in a row, the market's telling us something. It says get to the long side. So right here you can see we've got a triple bottom. We've got our setup, a retest failure with a triple bottom. We're long at 60. And this time the market trades up to 65 before it stalls. There is nothing but buying on these patterns. The shorts are covering. The average price is moving higher. Our purple lines are moving higher. Volume is moving higher in the distribution. There's nothing here that tells us to get short. So the market kind of pauses and stalls in this area, gets some congestion right here. We get another buy signal. We're long at 65, and this time the market does make it to 68.25, but it just kind of stalls right there. So we were able to pull 2 points out of that particular trade. And we like to finish our trading between 11 and noon. After lunch we came back in, and market was just holding its own. You can see down here in panel 3, predominantly buying, and the market traded higher in the afternoon, and you had a shot for a really nice trade after the lunch close, after lunch was over in Chicago and New York. So on the minimal trading, including a loss and a half-point gain, you made 7.5 points, and you would have maxed out at 9.5. So we've had better days, but it was a pretty good day when all said and done, even starting off the market wrong twice. You can go back and check our claims to accuracy and how well our trades are on our website. You can go back and review numerous recaps of the trading that we give at our website. So www.cnfuturestrading.com is our website. On this site you'll get an overview of the software, our trading methodologies, and our educational programs. To further encourage you to come visit us, we'd like to offer you a 5-day free trial in our main Market Center trading room where you can see how we operate live in real time. Please contact us via email at info@cnfuturestrading.com, or you may call us directly 312-361-3895. Looking forward to seeing you in the room for your 5-day free trial.